So in training, our dogs are reinforced routinely, right? For most trainers, our dogs are reinforced pretty heavily. And that becomes information. So a lot of people say, oh, my dog only works for the food, as if they're being lazy or they don't want to work if we don't offer the food or the toy. But the truth of the matter is, it's become part of the cue system. It becomes part of the routine. And if in training your dog is routinely getting reinforced, and then there's no reinforcement in the ring, that's very confusing. When we're first introducing praise, right, when we want the praise to have value, we have to create value for it. We can't just say, oh, click treat, and today, click, wow, good dog, and the dog's gonna be like, but wait, where's my cookie? Wait. Yes. Good boy. Super job. I love that. Good boy. And then feed. And then eventually, sometimes you can mark, praise, and not even feed. Just skip the food sometimes, and the dog will actually be fine. So each front, you can see how happy he is. In my head, I'm saying, good job, buddy, or wow, and he's reading that off my face. Want to evaluate, does your dog enjoy your verbal praise? Look at your dog, videotape it if you're not sure, and go back and review it. If not, you need to change something. Maybe your dog prefers silent praise. So even if your dog enjoys your verbal praise, worth assessing. Maybe they like silent praise more. Again, with silent praise, you don't need to do anything crazy. You do exactly the same thing as when you reinforce verbally. You just do it. You just say the words in your head.